Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Minecraft error Getsocktop failed to connect to the server, connection timed out. So basically scroll a little bit down right here to see the solution. Scroll a little bit down right here. Scroll. The reasons why there is an error or something like that. The main reason Java is executable function. The issue most probably arises when the game puts forward a new Java executable prompt which gets blocked by the firewall. The Windows Defender wall or any preventive mechanism of antivirus software prevents such prompts to protect the computer from online threats. Sometimes new version of the game might cause this issue. Let's now see how to fix it. First of all, make sure you and your friends are using the same version of the game on the same LAN or LAN connection for local gameplay. The next step is to open the settings and go to the firewall and network protection. And then the third step, click on allow app through firewall and make sure that you have checked all the Java platform SE binary to be allowed in a private connection. This will prevent the firewall from stopping Java prompts from being rejected. Follow these steps and it may fix the issue. If the issue persists, change the connection and the Minecraft version and even the server if you are hosting the game on it. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.